As a bonus, I'll show you how to create water drops on a can. So let's not waste time. Create a UV sphere. And we can slightly change it with proportional editing, or we can leave it as it is. Then we rename our sphere to something recognizable. Select any of the cans and create a particle system for it. And select hair. In the render, we select an object. And here we select our drop of water. Increase the size if necessary, and we can randomize it a little. Then put a mark on advance, then turn on the rotation, and we can randomize the rotation. But as we can see, our drops are not very pleasant to the eye. And this is all because our lacks of geometry in some places. So let's add a couple of loop cuts. And as you can see, the problem is solved. All you have to do is play with the settings and the drops are ready. But if you want to animate drops so that they fall along the can, then we will encounter a problem. And to solve it, you need to click Make Instances Real and then apply it. And then with all drops of water selected, click on our can with holding Shift and click Ctrl+P and choose Object Keep Transform. And see how Blender crashed. So after our Blender is alive, everything is working properly. And for the drop water material, you can apply the ice material or create another. And here select the glass BSDF. And if you created a system particle before for another object and want to apply it to other objects, then you don't need to create a new one and try to repeat settings. You can simply choose from the already created.